Assalamu alaikum students. How are all of you? And hope so you all will be fine. And are you studying? Are you giving attention on your studies or not? Pay attention all of you towards your studies. Study a lot because your schools are closed just due to this corona. So just be very much careful. Take care of yourself. Wash your hands and pay attention towards your studies, all of you. Today we will read about the simple machine, and that is the screw. We will study about the screw. The screw is also a simple machine. The screw is also a simple machine. A screw is a ramp. Let's do its reading. You read after me because there are some certain words that are difficult to read. So try to read after your teacher. In this way you will become a fluent reader. Okay? Try to read it. Try to read the things whatever I am teaching you and whatever I have taught you. The screw. What's this? Screw. S sound. Okay? Screw. A screw is a ramp. A screw is a ramp that winds around and around. A screw is a ramp that winds around and around in a circle. In a circle. When you turn the screw, when you turn the screw, it moves and pushes. It moves and pushes against something else. Against something else. If you use light bulbs, you are using a screw. Children, if you use, for example, light bulbs, it means that you are using a screw. You just make it, give a turn round and round, and it becomes a screw. You are using a screw to put them tightly. Let's read from here again. If you use light bulbs, you are using a screw. You are using a screw to put them tightly. To put them tightly into lamps. Into lamps. Jar lids. You see that jar and it has a lid. It has a lid. Jar lids are also screws. We are used to put things in jars. Jam jar or sauce jars or any of the jar in which we put our things, and we close it with a lid. Okay? Jar lids are also screws. Without the screw, it would be very difficult. It would be very difficult to hold things. It would be very difficult if we don't use screw. So, without the screw, it would be very difficult to hold things together tightly. Together tightly. So it means the screws are very useful for us. Without them, we cannot hold the things together tightly. Okay. Now we will read about the wheel and axle. The wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is a very simple machine. Wheel and axle is also an example of a simple machine. A wheel and axle is a very simple machine, but important. What is this? Important. Important for many modern. For many modern. How will we read this word? Modern. For many modern inventions. A wheel and axle is a very simple machine, but important for many modern inventions. An axle goes into the middle of a wheel. Middle of a wheel, making it easy to turn. Making it easy to turn. An axle goes into the middle of a wheel and making it easy to turn. We use the wheel and axle on many of our vehicles. We use the wheel and axle on many of our vehicles. What is this? Vehicles. What are vehicles? Students, do you know what are vehicles? Cars, buses, and rickshaw, and everything that are on the road, bike, motorbike. All these are vehicles. Cars, trucks, and bicycles. We use the wheel and axle on many of our vehicles, cars, trucks, and bicycles. Cars, trucks, and bicycles. Can you imagine a world without clocks? Can you imagine that there are no clocks in the world? Can you imagine? No, we cannot imagine, because all the time we see the time, we watch at the clock, we look at the clock and watch the time and then do our works, because we are used to perform, we are used to do our works in time. We see that we offer our prayers and we see the time, it's the time of this namaz or this prayer, we start offering. So we use clocks in our daily life, and it is very essential, it is very necessary, it is very important for all of us to have clocks at our homes. Can you imagine a world? What is this? World. Can you imagine a world without clocks? A world without clocks, computers, or even doorknobs. These are the things, imagine the things. Can you imagine a world without clocks, computers, or even doorknobs? What is this? Doorknobs. Again read it. Doorknobs. Look here, students. Beta, look here. This K is silent. We will not read this K. Can you imagine a world without clocks, computers, or even doorknobs? They all use the wheel and axle. Okay? They all use the wheel and axle. When anyone asks you that give the examples of the simple machine, the wheel and axle, you will say clock. Clock is an example of wheel and axle. Doorknob is an example of wheel and axle. And also you will say computers. Computers are also the examples of wheel and axle. Students, all of you will read this lesson very carefully, correctly, in such a good sound, and try to show your interest and give listening to your mother and father that I want to read. Kindly you listen and read in a good accent. Your accent should be accurate. Okay? Focus on your studies, all of you, because all of you are really very good and bright students. Okay? Take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.